In this tutorial, I introduced WordPress themes, including how to change themes, tips when looking for and choosing free or commercial themes, and tips for modifying the base aspects of your themes. Now, once you have 4 or 5 pages of content, this is probably a good time to experiment with different themes for your website. So let's go to the dashboard. Themes are going to be controlled in the appearance section of the dashboard. There's a themes subsection. And you'll notice that this will give you your current theme. This is the default theme at the time of this recording, WordPress 4 2014. There's also a 2013 theme that comes with your installation, as well as 2012. So let's go ahead and activate 2012 by clicking on the Activate button. And notice that now this is in the first position. You can also click on Theme Details. This is 2012 theme for WordPress. It's a fully responsive theme that looks great on any device. You've got a section for widgets. You've got a section for menus. You have a section for header and background. So those are built-in customizations that you can make to this theme. Each theme will be a little bit different in terms of widgets and menus, headers and backgrounds, providing more or less configuration options here. However, I think a good first step is to go ahead and change it to one of the built-in themes, and then visit your website and notice that it does look quite different. And this underscores the point that style and appearance is separate from content. I still have my page content here, but it looks quite a bit different than it did using the previous theme. Now, once you've tried out all the built-in themes that came with your installation, you'll no doubt want to explore additional free themes. And to do that is very easy. All you do is click on the Add New button here in the Themes section of the dashboard. And you can then search themes, featured, popular, latest, or you can actually filter the themes. But notice that the featured provides a set of themes here. These are all free. You can go ahead and click on the details and preview of the theme you're interested in and get a preview on the right and then some of the details of the theme on the left. If you like the theme, go ahead and install it by clicking on the Install button right there. It's very easy. Installing theme Purity Light 1.0.7. It unpacks the package. It installs the theme. You have a live preview, which you've already seen. And then don't forget to activate the theme. So click on Activate, and notice that will put it in this first position. And then always go ahead and visit your site to make sure that everything is okay and everything looks all right. You can see just how easy it is to change themes. You probably want to do this on your testing server. You don't want to have a lot of themes installed on your real website. Notice that there's no way in WordPress 4.0 to remove these themes. To remove them, you'd have to go into the file structure, find the themes section, and then delete the folder for that theme. I demonstrated where these files are found in a previous video. You can also search for installed themes as well as new themes. So click on the Add New, and there is a search box here. Now, while we're searching for themes here, let me give you some tips for locating the best kinds of themes to learn WordPress. I recommend installing simple and clean but attractive themes. Definitely get themes with good documentation, and also that have a lot of built-in tools for modifying themes, and ones that also have flexible menus. You want to have 2 or 3 menus to really design menus correctly. So one of my favorite themes for really good documentation is one called Weaver 2. It's free, and once you find it, go ahead and preview it and then install it. But if we have a look at this theme, you'll notice something different. Is that once you activate it, it has its own section here in the dashboard. There's so many options for modifying this theme. This is the kind of theme that you probably want to go with to begin with. Is lots of documentation. Notice that there's tabs here, lots of text and descriptions.